we're gonna unbox this very quickly, and then we're gonna play Deus Ex. In my traditionally bad way, of course. So, those of you who are in the Discord know that on Saturday I went to give blood, and apparently when you give blood in the Plovdiv Hematology Center, which is where, you know, the stuff happens in Plovdiv, which is where I live, you get a little care crate, you get a little care package, and I had no idea what this was. They just put it in my bag. Here's the keys. While I was actually giving blood, they put it in a little baggie for me and said, this is for you, you can check it out later. And I said, okay. And I thought it was, I don't know, documents or something. I didn't really pay attention to how heavy it is. And there's actually a little label on here. You guys can't see that, but yeah, there's a label that says what the contents are. So if I just taken a look at the label, I would have realized it's actually goodies for you. So I just opened it up and saw it was goodies and closed it back up again and said, oh wait, I don't want to see what's in here. I want to share this with people on stream. So if you guys are thinking about giving blood or have thought about ever giving blood, I couldn't recommend it more. It's a very relaxing experience. Consult with your physician, go to the hematology centers. They'll take good care of you, and you'll also be able to help someone who needs the blood. Okay, let's see what's in the care package. I'm just gonna remove the tape. Okay. Good. Sorry, that probably sounds very bad on stream. Okay, tape has been removed, and here's what the box looks like. Like that. So I'm gonna take stuff out one by one, and I'm gonna show you guys what's in the box, and we're gonna see if that's what I'm interested in. I'm gonna see if what the box says actually corresponds to the contents. Let me put the keyboard away for a second here. Okay. Right. First of all, little waffle. Is it the chocolate waffle? It says chrupkova waffle, which in English just means crunchy waffle. Let's see what the wafer says. Bularka. Yeah, regular waffle bularka, 20 grams. There you go. That's yeah, local production, of course. Then we have, oh, that's nice. It says cher and chai. There you go. Which in Bulgarian means black tea. So I guess this is just some powdered tea. I'm actually gonna do this, make this tomorrow morning. There we go. Cher and chai, yeah, black tea, soluble in water, 15 grams, one unit. There you go. Okay. Oh, cool. How many cultures have an equivalent of these, guys? Those are, we call them soleti, which is based on the word for savory. Soleno is savory in Bulgarian. So I would just call them very thin breadsticks is what they are. What does that say? Yeah, breadsticks, tiny breadsticks, soleti, 55 grams, 1 unit. Okay. Huh. You guys see what this is? This is 2 tiny plastic cups. I'm not gonna say what they look like. Quite frankly, they look like specimen cups, but for the tea, yeah. Oh, okay, and there you go. In case you want to actually make the tea, they also give you a bottle of water. Half a liter, of course. Oh, right, it says coffee cup. So 2 coffee cups, it says. Right, and I don't see the water there. All right, there it is. 500 milliliters bottled water. There you go. I'm actually gonna open this up and drink this now, which is quite nice. Let's open it up. Oh, cool. It's actually quite nice. I'm used to drinking our tap water here, which is not great, so bottled water is something you don't scoff at. Oh, look, they give you a little stirrer in case you want to stir your tea in your coffee cup. I'm gonna place it in the coffee cup. Ooh, I'm gonna save the big one for last, of course. Oh, there's another waffle. This is a chalky one. Oh, guys! This is, what is it? Yeah, chocolate waffle, waffle Lara, 18 grams. I'm not making this up, guys. It's no joke. I had no idea this was in here. Oh, that's so cute. Okay. Ooh, old school. This is Lipti. This is a 3-in-1 package. So in Bulgaria, 3-in-1 coffee and sugar and creamer packages are very common for coffee on the go. I imagine you guys, most of you guys have equivalents of this. What else? Oh, another stirrer, because we have 2 cups, right? So we need 2 stirrers for the 2 cups. There you go, 2 stirrers, 2 cups.
Hello, computer.
Hello, computer. That's the keys. Oh, 2 little sugars. In the cups they go. And that's the final bit. Yeah, TechSpecs is probably not here, so there's no way to make this sound as dirty as it is. But this is a 750 gram little tub of chocolate spread. That's cute. That's really cute. That's really good. This in itself is, you know, that's what I would have expected. No more. That's really good. This stuff is expensive. And the box is almost empty, and we get a little leaflet that says where you can find the blood center and that it's a good idea to donate blood. There you go. And our box is at this point empty. So I'm so pleasantly surprised and so happy that I went in to give blood this Saturday, and the fact that the people were so nice and they made me feel so comfortable, because, you know, you go into a hospital setting, you're not exactly excited to be there. You feel a bit iffy. It's a hospital, but the nurses, the doctors, even the people, the person at the door who I suppose is security, says, "Hello, you want to donate blood?" And I go, "Yep, sure, that's what I want to do." And he goes, "Let me show you where you should go." He was very nice and immediately, you know, put me at ease about the whole thing. And they give you this nice care package, this lovely little care package of goodies. I'm so happy I did it. I'm feeling very pleasantly surprised, because, you know, I didn't know what to expect. This was I think we had a talk about this with my folks. I thought I donated blood before 6 or 7 years ago in Pazardzhik, but they're convinced that I was planning to, and we went as a group and I never had to, so maybe I'm misremembering. So it may have been my first time donating blood, which is fine, you know. Physicians typically say that you can do it safely about once a year without any issues, so I'm glad I did it. Okay.